Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting lineup of tech products that are going to revolutionize your tech experience. If you're someone who loves staying connected on the go and enjoys great music, this video is for you. We'll be checking out some awesome portable speakers in 2023, and I can't wait to share my thoughts with you. Now, let's dive right into it. Number 5. Let's get this party started. The JBL Boombox 2 in sleek black is a beast of a speaker with a rugged build, perfect for outdoor adventures. It's all about the sound quality. With 4 active transducers, including 2 tweeters and 2 woofers, this speaker delivers crisp sound, clear mids, and that thumping bass we all love. And the best part? Bluetooth 5.1 technology for wireless pairing with our devices. No more fussing with cables. Plus, it's got a USB Type-A port to charge our phones directly from the speaker. The JBL Boombox 2 is IP67 dustproof and waterproof, so it can handle any adventure. And with its compact size, it's easy to take anywhere. Wait, there's more! A massive 10,000 mAh battery means up to 24 hours of playtime. It even doubles as a power bank for our devices. Talk about convenience! And the party doesn't stop there. The Party Boost feature lets us connect multiple speakers for an epic surround sound experience. Whether you're chilling at home, hitting the beach, or going camping, the JBL Boombox 2 is your ultimate party companion. To elevate your parties and make unforgettable memories, I highly recommend the JBL Boombox 2. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Number 4. Moving on, we have the MusiBaby portable Bluetooth speaker. This one is designed for adventure junkies. It's compact and super portable, making it a perfect companion for camping trips and hikes. The 1,500 minutes playtime ensures the music never stops. Now, let me tell you about the sound. It's mind-blowing. The true 360-degree stereo sound creates an immersive experience, and the booming bass adds that extra oomph to your favorite tracks. Oh, and guess what? You can even pair 2 of these speakers together for an even more powerful sound. You can find the link to purchase this fantastic portable Bluetooth speaker in the description. Trust me, it's going to be the life of the party on your next adventure. Number 3. The Bose SoundLink Flex delivers state-of-the-art audio with its custom-engineered transducer and position cue technology. It's designed to adapt to any environment, providing you with the clearest sound possible, no matter where you go. And guess what? It's waterproof. Yup, rigorously tested to meet IP67 standards, and it even floats. So, whether you're chilling at the pool or hiking in the rain, your music will never stop. It's not just about great sound, but also durability. This little guy can handle anything, drops, rust, and it's resistant to corrosion and UV light. Plus, it's so lightweight and compact, perfect for your on-the-go adventures. With its rechargeable battery giving you up to 12 hours of playtime,